what I'm doing. I don't know how this works. Oh, that's fucking wrong. I need to see my bottom, or else I look like I'm bald. What the fuck is wrong with my face? What the fuck is wrong with my face? No. What's wrong with my I look horrible. You look like crap. Okay, we're making a video. Oh wait, it's already going. Oh. Oh, that's not pretty. Um, it is 1:17 in the morning. And this video is made after we're back 2010, 2 months later. It's not pretty. Pretty. Ugly. I'm ugly too. Natasha, if you're looking at this a couple months from now, I know I look horrible, so don't worry. I'm not gonna stay like this. Yeah, you too, Sherilyn. I know your hair is going to grow out and you're gonna be beautiful and you're gonna have a boyfriend. Look what Rosemary did to your hair. Look at my face. Look at my acne. Look at my. Oh my god. My pores are huge. Okay. Okay. Let me tell you. I cut my hair. My mom cut my hair. I look crooked. Okay, let me give you some FYI information. We love each other, okay? We do not hate each other, so. Cheryl, if you say anything bad, I'm going to kill you. In the future. Oh my god, my hair looks so bad. Look at this face, I look like a cara de culo. Just get out. Not now. Well, because we're going to sleep and it's really late. We're not going to sleep right now. I look like an old lady. We're staying up all night. I look crazy. You know I'm weird, right? Sure. We're going to see the video. And then we're going to be like, WTF. I look like an old lady. And so now we will be after her, and you will all be like, oh, Sherilyn, that's nice to have lives. Don't lie. She has a life. I don't have a life. No life. You want something smelly? What am I wearing? I look like crap. I'm wearing my Worcestershire. Oh, I'm an 8th grader. Well, I was an 8th grader, now I'm a freshman. Oh, I'm a sophomore. Sophomore. So, I'm so stupid. Yeah, I was yawning. I wasn't saying anything else. Don't get the wrong idea. I hope no one listens to this video. I hope we don't get any views because I really don't look like this. I really don't look like this either. I don't know if you can tell, but in real life, I'm really pretty. I don't know if you can see, but like 2 different hair colors. Yeah. That's if usually that's how she figured out the idea or not. But you can kind of see it. Like, watch. You see how like my hair color is like lighter than my other? Why do you keep picking different colors? Oh, that's beautiful. I always hated my hair. We have fun at Matrix. It's kind of weird. This is not chat roulette. You want to learn chat roulette? We should do chat roulette. Okay. We're gonna say bye.